Today a topic which is focusing on variables in social research. That is the topic. Yesterday I was discussing about what is concept, what is variable, what is hypothesis. So as I am going to continue this session as variable, let me take the variable. Variable is one of the measurable aspect, because when we are going to do the research, we should have to understand which type of the variable is this one and which type of the variables are. Otherwise it will be difficult for us to come up with a statistical analysis, and we should have to connect with our hypothesis also. That is very important. So as I mentioned, that variables are the measurable aspects of concepts. That is the point. And today I am going to discuss about three types of variables. So three types of variables. One is independent variable. The second one is dependent variable. The third one is control variable. So independent variable. When we look into the independent variable, variables are the causes of other variables. That is the independent variable. When we look into the dependent variable, what is dependent variable? Variables are the effect of other variables. One is cause, independent variable is cause, dependent variable is effect. That is the major factor. The third one, control variable. The control variable, once we are going to look into the control variable, these variables are held constant to isolate the effects of the independent on the dependent variable. So this is control variable. So we should have to at least understand what is independent and what is dependent. So we can make a good study based on the independent and dependent. So let me come up with the operation, how we can operationalize the variables. That is the one thing. For example, the variables age can be operationalized as a person's date of birth. That is one of the example you can find. So what are the benefits? Once we look into that, what are the benefits of using variables? What are the benefits? Test hypothesis, that is the one of the thing. Measure the concept, that is the another thing. Compare their findings. Suppose what is independent, what is dependent. So I want to compare one problem or one concept. For example, suppose I am going to take as psychosocial problems of school going adolescents. So the gender I will be taking as independent variable and comparing which gender, or whether the female having high psychosocial problem or whether the male having high psychosocial. I hope you all understood about the variable. Thank you so much. We'll see you again.